Hello everyone, I am the designer of Leveled. Today I would like to share with you the crochet video of the strawberry. The strawberry in my hand is crochet with 5-strand thread. You can also crochet with 4-strand thread. Today I will use 5-strand thread to demonstrate to you. Then we use the red thread to make the main body of the strawberry, and the green thread to make its leaves. Then we also need to use a white thread to make the strawberry, the white seed, and the tool. We also need to use a 2.0 crochet hook. Our 2.0 crochet hook can also be used to crochet 4 strands of thread, or crochet 5 strands of thread, and then use a 3.0 crochet hook to crochet 5 strands of thread, and the size of the hook will be different. Then we still need to use scissors, marking buckles, sewing needles, and stuffing. First of all, we wind the circles on the finger first, and after taking the coil off, we pinch the coil with our fingers, and then we use a crochet needle to insert the coil into the coil and wind the thread, bring it out, and then wrap the crochet hook to bring it out, in this way. A standing stitch is enough. And then we continue to insert this needle into the loop, and then we still wrap the thread to bring it out, and then wrap it to bring it out. In this way, we have a short stitch. Then we can first buckle the mark on the position of our first stitch. Okay, then let's move on. Using the method just now, insert the crochet needle into the coil and wind it out, and then wind it to bring out the second short needle. Then we still insert the crochet needle into the coil, wind it out, and then wind it. Take it out in such a way. Our first round is to loop 6 short stitches, so we need to crochet 3 more short stitches. Well, after the 6 short stitches are hooked, we can count them ourselves. When counting, we start counting from the mark buckle. The one with the letter V is a short needle, so here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a total of 6 short needles. After hooking up the 6 short needles, we can put away the loop first. When tightening the coil, we can first tighten the thread in the same hole as the tail thread, and then pull the tail thread after tightening. Then we can directly cut this thread short first. Okay, then we continue to insert this needle into the 6th needle, and then we start to draw and pull the first needle. First insert the needle into the first pin female, then the marking buckle. After inserting, we can remove the marking buckle first, then we still wind the thread. After taking this thread out, we pull it out directly from the 6th needle wood. After the drawing is done, we need to hook a lock stitch, also called a standing stitch, which is actually a braid stitch. We're still a braid stitch like this. After the braids are crocheted, how about our second round of crochet? It is 1 plus 1 every other, that is, every short needle, then make a short stitch. What about the extra stitches of the short stitches? It is within the eye of a needle, hook 2 short needles. Make a short stitch on the first stitch. After hooking the first short needle, let's make a mark with a mark buckle. For beginners, we can make a mark on the first stitch of each circle, which is convenient for us to pull out in each subsequent circle. Then after we finish marking the first stitch of this circle, we will crochet 2 short stitches on the second stitch. Well, after the 2 short stitches are hooked, we are on the 3rd stitch, which is still a short stitch. Well, there is still a short needle plus needle in the back, that is, 2 stitches in 1 short needle. There is still a short stitch on the back. A short stitch with an extra stitch.